Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever studied for hours only to forget everything during the exam? You are not alone. The problem isn't that you are lazy, it's that you're probably using the wrong study method. Today I'll share 5 science-backed techniques that top students use to learn faster, remember more, and score better. Let's get started. Spaced repetition. Most students make one big mistake. They study a chapter once and never look at it again until the night before the exam. Your brain naturally forgets information over time, but every time you review it, your memory becomes stronger. Here are simple schedule. Day 1. Learn the topic. Day 3. Review it for 10 to 15 minutes. 1 week later, review it again. 1 month later, do a one final revision. Instead of spending hours relearning everything before the exam, you only need a quick revision because your brain has already stored the information. Remember, review a little but review often. Active record. Here's a question. When you finish reading a chapter, what do you do? Most students read again, but top students do something completely different. They close the book and ask themselves questions like, what did I just learn? Can I explain this topic without looking? Can I solve this question from memory? If you forget something, that's actually a good sign. It tells you exactly what you need to practice. Think of your brain like a muscle. Every time you try to remember something, your memory gets stronger. Passive reading feels easy, active recall feels difficult, and that's exactly why it's work. The Feynman technique. Albert Einstein once said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Here's how this method works. Imagine you are teaching a 10 years old child new simple word. For example, instead of memorizing a science definition word for word, explain it as if you are talking to your younger brother or sister. If you get stuck or can't explain one part, congratulations. You just discovered the exact part you need to study. This method turns confusion into understanding. Pomodoro technique or focus study session. Let's be honest. Most of you don't actually study for 2 hours. We study for 15 minutes, then check Instagram, watch YouTube shorts, reply to messages, and suddenly an hour is gone. Instead, study with 100% focus for 25 to 50 minutes. Then take a 5 to 10 minutes break. During your study session, keep your phone away, close unnecessary tabs, focus on only one subject. 1 hour of deep focus is often more effective than 3 hours of distracted study. Remember, focus beat time. Interleaving, the secret method. Here's a study trick that many students have never heard of. Instead of studying the same subject for 3 straight hours, mix your subjects. For example, 30 minutes of math, then 30 minutes of physics, 30 minutes of computer science. Why does this work? Because your brain learns to switch between different types of problems. It becomes better at choosing the right method instead of using the same approach for everything. At first, it feels harder, but research shows it helps you remember information for much longer and prepare you better for exams where questions are mixed together. Before you leave, here's a bonus secret study tip that many students never try. The 3-2-1 method. Read the topic 3 times to understand the concept. Recall it 2 times without looking at your notes. Write it 1 time in your own words or solve a few questions. This simple routine forces your brain to understand, remember, and apply what you learn. It's a great way to prepare for exam without wasting hours rereading your notes. You don't have to use all 5 methods today. Start with just one. Use it for the next 7 days and you'll notice a big difference in how much you remember. Remember, successful students aren't born smarter, they simply study smarter. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with a friend who has exams coming up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.